Tiny chili, massive heat, serious profit. What if one small plant could become a high-value organic crop? Let's explore bird's eye chili farming, the smart and sustainable way. Also known as Dhani or Kanthari Mulaku, this chili is famous for its intense spice and strong market demand. It grows best in warm temperatures between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Avoid waterlogging. Strong roots are the foundation of good yield. Start with disease-free seeds. Raise seedlings in compost-rich nursery beds and transplant after 25 to 30 days. Maintain spacing of 45 centimeters between plants and 60 centimeters between rows. Feed the soil with compost, vermicompost, or neem cake. Control pests naturally using 3% neem oil spray and encourage beneficial insects. Water lightly and regularly. Use mulch to conserve moisture and control weeds. Within 90 to 100 days, harvesting begins. A well-managed acre can yield 800 to 1,200 kilograms. Small in size, powerful in profit. Follow for more smart organic farming insights.